Super nervous, super nervous. Oh.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, guys, get ready.
What is up, Dusty Crew? It's Ash. It's Spencer. And we have some really exciting news for you guys. We got the absolute best Christmas present.
Oh, though we haven't seen it yet.
Well, yeah, that's what this whole journey is about. So today we are going to be spent checking out what we got for Christmas. Also, by the way, if you didn't see my last video, I got hit by a firework. That's why I have a mark on my face. Yeah. So we're on our way to go see the buggy that we got for Christmas, and I'm super excited.
But on the way, someone on the road
Flagged us down and they're having car troubles. They asked for a jump, so we're gonna give them a jump, and hopefully we can help them out and get them on their way again. Woo, go Spencer! So you guys, we have absolutely no idea what kind of condition this thing is in. We know it's been sitting there for over a year. Super nervous, super nervous. Ooh.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh, guys, get ready.
This is a barn find.
Ricky Buggy, what happened to you? Well?
Welcome to Junkyard Journey.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Woo!
That's for sure a project. You guys gotta see. Get out of the car. You guys gotta see this.
Here, take the camera. Show them. I don't know what you're talking. Wait.
a tripod too.
Look at this.
Oh.
The white wall is falling off of the tire. That's crazy. Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's a sunroof.
Oh, it does have a sunroof.
Yay.
Or what's left of
What's
the hole for a sunroof. It does have a steering box still. Dang. Yeah, it's beam front end. With a little bit of a sway bar action going on. I don't know if that's custom or whatever, but it looks like possibly custom. It would need a mount in the middle, I think, to work properly.
Fun fact about this, it has the same birthday as me. All of my projects are like that. They have like a date on their registration that I just can't let go. It's meant to be. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm like shaking. Damn, I've never seen a tire do that. I want to see the inside.
Well, the exhaust pipes are hanging out, so that means the engine must be under there.
Ah! With spiders. Wow.
Should have brought the leaf blower. Well. Hey, dual cadrants. That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Alright, alright.
Ah!
Maybe we just turbo this motor and build the other one high compression or something. 2180 high compression, 1600 turbo, T3, T4. That'd be a huge turbo for a 1600.
Comment down below what you want us to build, you guys.
2180 turbo. And I don't know what we would do with this. Or 1600 turbo, and then we build the 2180 high compression instead. God, I really want to build the 2180 turbo. Decisions.
Ponders life choices. Enjoying yourself
Oh damn, look at that.
It opens way easier than our Bug.
It's got a custom steering wheel.
Is that one of the fenders?
Yeah.
And there's another one. I seem crazy right now. I'm so excited. Ah, that's what I was curious about. So that'll be a little bit of body work. Baby, we got some rust on her.
The body is definitely not perfect, but the
but the pan is solid. What is that?
fuel tank.
It's so small.
Yeah. Or new seals before they. No, they're still pretty pliable. It's pretty good. See what else we got in here.
Look at that booty.
This one's still got the heater tube.
Yes. Thank God it doesn't have the stupid foam and the vents. Has been massacred. Ouchies.
Get a different body. Maybe put a nice body on it.
Oh. When's the last time you saw that? I was not aware that on our Bug, the guy we bought it from had already cut this off, like right here. Yeah, I didn't know that. I like just recently saw on another couple Bugs that they were longer, and then I realized.
You can put a cage in there for the cage.
It's a project. There you guys have it. That's what a classic Bug project looks like if you get one for free.
So make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Click that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any new updates of our Bug project. Stay dusty, folks.